Hello, and welcome to Guided Towards Greatness over at the Energetic Movement Collective. My name is Julie Wynn. If you're new to this series, thank you so much for being here, and please don't forget to hit subscribe below, and share if you'd like to. The intention for doing these video series is to inspire, empower, motivate, and to provide tools and a space for dance studio owners, for teachers, and for dancers to unlock this greatness that we have inside, to realign with our soul's purpose, the whole reason that we dance, to help infuse the dance community with more love, creativity, innovation, and most importantly, support. So today's series is going to be just about that, is using the law of attraction, what that means, and how we can use it to benefit our own personal life and to fast track us towards our goals. What is the law of attraction? Many of you have seen a few movies that are out there, and the catchphrase is, you become what you think about, and our thoughts become things. I have great experience and can hold true to the fact that using the law of attraction does work, and it can help manifest more students into your program. Many of us go to seminars or search for training on how to retain students, but we don't really get into the juiciness and the magic of what it means and how you can actually manifest students. And one event I went to, it was on retaining students, and how to retain that was this list of things. And I remember sitting there thinking, there's no way I can do that because I am already tapped out to my work schedule. There is nothing more I can add to my plate. So calling clients 5 more times for follow-up, and every 3 months as a check-in, a studio base that has, hundreds of kids, that's all I would be doing then, or that's all I would be hiring somebody else to do. It just didn't seem very feasible to me. But here is a tip. You can attract what you think about, but most importantly, what you feel about. So how I use this in my own life and my own personal practice is during warm-up, especially at the new season when students are starting to kind of filter in, and for a moment you might have this panic of, I only have 5 students in my class. So when I felt myself kind of dipping into that, like, my class is, so small, or how come nobody came back, or all of, the fear-based side of running the dance studio, I calmed myself. I found joy, brought myself to the present moment, and then during stretch and warm-up, I just imagined my class full, and full of the people that would make me happy too. I imagined a bunch of smiling, eager, hungry to learn, sweet, awesome, amazing students. And really, within a couple months, my class went from having 5 students in it to 20 students in it, or 25. So this is a simple way to manifest students. And how do you retain them? You retain them by just offering a space for people to feel good and to be joyful and to feel alive within the hour. And more teacher tips on that later. But yeah, using the law of attraction to create the studio of your dreams is huge. So we'll dive a little bit deeper. How do we start this? If you're watching this now, it's right at prime season when most studio owners are wrapping up their season, planning for showcase or recital, and then also if you're a competitive studio, you're also getting ready to host your auditions. And that means that this is the perfect time to carve out space and to see what worked for your season and where is there space for you to explore, change, and infuse a little bit more love and innovation, creativity. So when you're looking at your life and the life of the studio, and more importantly, the soul of your studio, are all aspects of the soul of your studio being nurtured? And if not, what can you do to create a little bit more balance and harmony? And again, now is the perfect time to do that. If you've watched previous videos, you will know that I am so such a believer in vision boards or carving out space for you to journal about your future and really to get clear on what it is that you want. Now, this is the law of attraction in action. When you get really clear on what you want and allow yourself to tap into the feeling of what it would feel like to really have this in your life, what you're doing is causing the universe to listen. You're creating space for it to come into your life, and it's easy. It can be effortless. Your success can be effortless. But I never really heard about how to use the law of attraction in the studio world. It was always, I think, because we are such artists and dancers and teachers and so passionate that for most of us, we could see that the business side of things was really not our strong point. We got into teaching dance because we love dance and we love the magic that dance holds for other people, and we share what we love. And so since we love dance, we want to share that with others, and we see the power that dance can have in people's lives. So most of us really didn't get into the studio world to open up a business because we were business minded and we want to be a business entrepreneur. We're dancers and we love dance. So I think many seminars that we attend are business mind based. And for people who are more heart-centered, or, are empath or an empath, is that right? So for people who are more heart-centered, and passionate about our purpose and the power that we have to change lives, I think this is an amazing tool to implement into your studio space, the law of attraction.